Good morning, happy homeowners. Whew, got an empty house. I love that. When you're dealing with no furniture today. Hey, over here in Huntington Beach, getting ready to go from a dark reddish brown floor to it's going to be super light, natural. Look at this. There's nothing wrong with the floor, right? See that? Yep. You actually be able to see that grain a lot better once we get it down to the natural. And they had a couple of extra boards in the garage when they purchased the house. They gave it to us. Yep. I gotta take some pictures from up here, right? Do a before and after. But I'm starting the video up here. We got a ton of steps, the stair treads. And people always say, Brian, why the stairs cost so much to refinish? Because they're all done by hand. I mean, they're small. We got a little machine that gets on them, but a lot of hand work, a lot of time consuming if you want to do it right. This is the second level, all the bedrooms. All right, happy homeowners, back over here at Huntington Beach. Only been, what, 3 hours? Maybe 4? I think it's more like 3. Let's go inside and see how much we got done. Oh, here we go. It's only been 3 hours with the right people running the right tools. Look at these steps already, man. Just this dark reddish brown color at the beach. Just, I don't know, it's personal preference, but this is going to look so much better. Especially at, being from the beach, if you come in with sand on your shoes and you're scratching the floor, but remember, that's what it used to look like. And that instant before and after, ready. Bam! Look at that. And we still have to go over this. Look at that. You can actually see the grain and stuff now. And we're going to go over this another 4 times probably. I'm going to take you upstairs, but just showing you we got in here, moving and grooving. Oh, he done turned the machine on. Stay with me, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Boom! Look at this. And again, we'll be back up here. We'll sand this another 4 times or so, and then start applying the finish.
Hello, I'm here with Rebecca in Huntington Beach, and we just recently got done doing her floor. And how did things go with us?
Excellent. We are 100% satisfied. Totally in love with floors that we originally hated. So everything went well. It was expedited for us. So everything came in and the crew came in and took care of the floors in such a quick manner for us. And they're done and I love them. They're beautiful.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.